What the fuck going on here? You know what the game, bitch, D, we thought the E when you wanted me, nigga, 24K, 2B, 3G, nigga, shot dice, and slugs, and couple of nights with the kid, that nigga Rick, you feel me? Look, been spinning they shit for weeks and them niggas still ain't get back. I'm guessing they pussy. Them niggas ain't bout shit, keep dissing and ended up dead. That nigga was shook. We gon' spin through with them choppers, pop them. Niggas get murked. I told you about looking. Shake it the bus and they hit his little dance. And boom, hot like how did it cook? Yo, I smoke that fucking little nigga. We bringing that pressure. Niggas is dead. They hit his back and some of his leg. But I heard the truth and fuck up his red. Can hear what I'm saying, cause that nigga dead. He shouldn't have been saying the shit that was said. Fuck that bitch. We gon' slide. My gang come to terrorize. We pop out with Glock 9s. Ain't trying to shoot about no ride. But we all known for walking down no game. We pull this bitch alive. No fucking lie. They all just get the running acting terrified. But niggas act like hoes. Don't be surprised when a body drop. And fuck them cuffs. I still a bake your top. Don't come and bend this block. I hit your neck. The gang come hit your brain and come create your box. We got switches on them Glocks. There ain't no running when we click that shit. But she so suck my dick. You two in love. I wouldn't kiss that bitch. Don't do no drive-bys. You should walk down cause we'll flip that whip. Get niggas on my ass. I hit the gas with that Glock on my hip. Shot a sleazy from that sleazy story. You know other game, bitch, chill D, we throw it the E when you wanted me, nigga, 24K, 2B, 3G, nigga, shot and slugs, take a while, that's with the kid, nigga, dice and read, let's get it. On my hip, shot a sleazy, that sleazy story. Fucking talking about it.